So today we're going to be working on this green 8A, which I'm incredibly stoked on. It's my style, crimpy, largish moves, cutting feet. There's actually one foothold on it, which is fantastic. But I really like this so far because it has some awkward feeling moves, which is always fun to work out. And this is kind of the first good day I've had in a while, so it feels super possible. I think part of why I'm so stoked is that I've been in the gym so much recently that climbing has kind of lost its magic. And then they set this wall yesterday, and then I was helping grade it, and I saw this and was just like immediately, I want to do that, I want to climb that. And the holds are far too small, but it's gonna be like a lot of fun. And something about it, it's calling to me. So I'm incredibly psyched to climb on this thing today. I've put in like 10-ish tries on this thing now, kind of working each individual move. And I've done it in 2 parts now. I've done it up to the little hold, kind of above the boxes, and then fallen off, and then I got it from those 2 to the top. It was super doable. So I've kind of been resting for like 10-ish minutes, so let's give it a try.
Come on, dude. Ooh, strong. Strong, Nikken. Hold it. Strong. Come on.
Come on, man. Come on, Nikken. Come on, dude.
Strong.
Come on, man. You got it. Nice.
Strong.
Come on, man.
Come on.
Oh god, fingers! It hurts! It burns! Oh my god! Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh crap! Damn it, that was like the try!
You looked solid, dude.
Alright, rest a bit. I kind of messed up my bait at the top, which is a bummer because I was feeling strong, super strong on that burn. And the hold that you're going to, you kind of take it 2 fingers on top and then wrap your thumb around the edge and just like pull off of it as hard as you can and kind of yard up to a gaston. And it feels super desperate. I think that's probably the crux of the whole thing. And then afterwards, it's not so difficult. But that thing, it like destroys my fingers, so I'm just gonna like give it a rest for a couple minutes. Jump back on it. Feels super good. Stoke is high, really high. Like this feels amazing, and I love climbing on this kind of stuff. Time is a little bit short. I have to go to work soonish, but we're gonna give it another send burn. So hopefully this will go. But it takes so much out of me. The first move is this, just kind of like, it takes almost like, it's like a 90% effort move. Just deep lock it and then boost up to this crimp. And then it's kind of a tension you hold afterwards. And then after that, it's just this kind of weird stone move where you cut your feet and lock it all in. And those 2 moves will be pretty much what decides if I get it or not. So let's see how it goes.
Come on, dude. Strong. Strong, dude. There we go. Come on. Strong.
No!
No!
Damn it. Damn, that's frustrating.
Alright, Nikken is kind of running up and trying to move. Because he hesitated twice now on that move, I think. So we'll see what he figures out. He needs to get his like left foot up, pull with the hip, and then also like pull with his left hand and deep lock the right.
God.
I think he's out of juice though.
I think I am out of juice. Those 2 burns just fried me. Damn. tried it and it takes everything out of me. Like, this actually makes my fingers just ache. And that's not something that happens to me barely ever. Pretty much never. And this is kind of the first time in a couple months where my fingers have like actually hurt a lot when I'm climbing. So it's an interesting feeling, but I think I need to train more for weights and all that fun stuff on the hangboard. But didn't go down today, but super stoked on it after going to work. But I think this will be coming back very soon. I'll take a rest day and then come back and hopefully it'll go down. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. And as always, you know, drop us a like, give us a subscribe, and leave us a comment if you want. See you guys later.